Shandong Stone Heavy Machinery Company Limited is one of China's leading manufacturers and seller of construction machinery and engineering machinery. The business scope is in crawler excavator, wheel excavator, backhoe loader, concrete pump, and spare parts for machinery, track chain, track plate, bushing, pins, and rolls. The company has been the earlier in manufacturing and selling of wheel excavator in China in the last 27 years. Annual production amount reaches 10,000 units. Our mini excavator very popular in Europe countries, Australia, and North America. It is with unique design, compact and flexible, suitable to be used in small area, small project, low oil consumption, convenient to use. Sales area are all over the world. The company in strict accordance with ISO 9001 Management System certification. The brand name Xinyu is honored as the Chinese well-known trademark. Now, all the excavators are with CE certified and ISO certified. The company have many professional service points all around China now. Exports to 80 countries and have agents in all Europe countries such as France, UK, Austria, Germany. Also South America country, Argentina, Brazil, and so on. The company will focus on production development and innovation, will create maximum values for customers at home and abroad. In the future, the company will become a construction machinery manufacturing owning core technology and international competitiveness with sustainable development.